Hello, animal lovers. Today, we're here to celebrate the wonderful world of domestic animals and explore the many reasons why they hold a special place in our hearts and homes. 1. Companionship. Domestic animals, such as dogs and cats, provide us with companionship and emotional support. They can help reduce stress, loneliness, and even improve our mental health. Agriculture and food production. Domestic animals like cows, chickens, and pigs are essential for agriculture and food production. They provide us with meat, milk, eggs, and other animal products that are crucial for our diet. 3. Transportation and labor. Throughout history, domestic animals have been used for transportation and labor. Horses, for example, have been used for